Good morning, my dear friend. This is the just the simple website which I have made. This is the navigation bar where this is the logo and this is the home about gallery contactor. This is the slider which when we slide I have took my photos here and these are the cards which I have made and these are the products which I have added with their cost and these are the trending products and it can be slided as follows and I have put some product like watches, a headphone, tablet, laptop, etc. And this is again the logo come and this is the again footer and this is home gallery about gallery where when we click on it we can go on it and this is the login page and where the our customer can register by filling entry into it. So let me see you how can suppose first customer is anyone that first customer is home and his surname can be anything and mail and his email id and he entered his password anything and his phone number. So when he submit his data, this is the data which is filled by our customer. So when he submitted this data, let's see, it is showing that it is registered successfully. Now let me show you how we can see her data, his data. This is the PHP My Admin panel, and let first refresh it. And after refreshing, this is this is the register where we can find our customer data. Here is our data which our customer has entered Som Sharma mail Som Sharma and and it is tick sliding bar so since our only one customer has added so only one customer name is showing so now I am entered. Let me show you that if another person also entered then how does it and then how its entry comes. So let me see you another person who enter his data, his entry come how. So this is our second customer which has entered data and submitted. Let it get registered successfully. Now where this is data can be seen, so I refresh it. So here it come the data of both persons. First is Som and second is Neha, which is our customer entered in. Now we can take this data into our Excel sheet. So we copy it to clipboard and open our Excel and here we paste the data using Control V and here the data of both person come and increase their width so that they can be seen properly. These are the contact number and these are password, email id, mail, last name, first name. So whenever any customer fill that registration form then it data can be taken easily into Excel sheet. So this is just the simple website which I have made it. So if you like, comment, share about my website, how do you like. Thank you guys.